Installing or replacing the LED lamps on your Air King Power Pack can be completed in a few easy steps. The lamps are flush mounted, which will require you to access the lamp holder from inside the power pack. Before starting, ensure the power pack is turned off at the circuit breaker. You will first need to remove the filters by pulling down on the tabs at the front of the filter, then pull down on the entire filter and release it from the back of the power pack. Loosen the wing nuts inside the hood a few turns so the bracket can be slid down. If you are replacing an old lamp, twist the lamp counterclockwise with a downward motion to release the lamp from the lamp holder. To install a new lamp, line up the pins on the lamp with the holes in the socket and turn clockwise slightly until firmly seated. Do not over-tighten. Raise the lamp assembly up into the hood until the base of the lamp is flush with the power pack, then tighten the wing nuts that were loosened earlier. Reinstall the grease filters by sliding the tabs at the rear of the filter into the slots on the power pack. While holding the handle of the filter, lift into place and release the handle. You can now restore power to your unit and test that the lamps are working correctly. For more information about Air King range hoods and power packs, visit www.airkinglimited.com. Also be sure to watch our other helpful and informative videos on our YouTube channel.